Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, boy. Happy sweet 16th birthday.
Hi boy, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo is always stay healthy and more blessings pa ang matanggap mo, and always keep safe. And always remember na nandito lang kami para sa'yo. And pray mo lang lagi na matapos na rin tong pandemic at magkita-kita na rin tayong lahat. And God bless and we love you always.
Hello boy! Happy 16th birthday! Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. God bless you always. More birthdays to come. Wish you all the best in life. And advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyo diha. Keep safe always. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Kiefer Sanchez. Sana po masaya ka po sa birthday nyo. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi sa Will Tower. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow. God bless you po. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday po kayo kay Kiefer Sanchez. Sana po masaya kayo sa birthday nyo. Ingat po kayo palagi. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. God bless you po. I love you.
Happy birthday po. Sing happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday po. Sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, boy.
Oh, blow the candle. Very good. Happy birthday po.
Hi boy, happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi. Love na love ka ng Team Malala. God bless you. Love you.
Hi boy, happy 16th birthday. I wish na matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo at marating mo pa yung gusto mong mga marating. Basta lagi mong tatandaan na andito kami lagi para sa'yo, para suportahan ka sa lahat ng gusto mong marating. Promise namin sa'yo na kahit anong mangyari, andito lang kami mga panis mo na nagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi ka namin iiwang kahit anong mangyari. Mahal na mahal ka namin, boy. At saka, stay humble and always pray kay God para lahat ng pangarap mo matupad. Sana masaya ka rin ngayong araw mo. And happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Hello boy, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. Ingat ka dyan palagi. I love you boy, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, boy! Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. And may all your wishes and dreams come true. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and may God bless you always. I love you.
Happy 16th birthday, Kiefer. I wish you all the love, all the blessings that you deserve. Happy birthday. God bless. And see you soon.
Hi, boy! Happy 60th birthday! Wish ko lang maging masaya ka ngayon. Just be happy at lagi kang mag-iingat, ha. I love you!
Hi, Kiefer. Happy sweet 16th birthday. Wish you all the best. Masaya ka lang palagi. At saka nandito lang kami na nagmamahal sa'yo. Suportahan ka. At pinagmamalaki ka namin kahit kailan. Kasi lahat nasa iyo na. Marami kang binago sa buhay namin. Ikaw yung isang dahilan kaya kami humingiti at nagkakaroon ng lakas sa araw-araw para magtagumpay sa mga pangarap sa buhay. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Ikaw yung aming inspirasyon. At isa kang napakabuting tao. Hindi lang sa kabataan, kundi sa lahat-lahat. Ngayon, pinata ka na. Huwag kang mag-alala, dito pa rin kami palagi para sa mahal na mahal ka namin. Hindi yun magbabago. Ingat ka na. keep smiling. Love you. Happy birthday ulit po.
Happy birthday, Kiefer! Wishing you all the best in life. More blessings sa'yo at saka sa family mo. Good health and we love you. We are always here to support you no matter what. Love ka ni ate. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Keith. Keep smiling and keep inspiring us. Hope you enjoy your day. And we will always be here to support and to love you no matter what. I love you always and forever. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. God bless you.
Kiefer, happy birthday ulit! Advance ba? Kaya na hindi advance. On the 25th, 16 ka na. So, stay young and handsome and become taller and darker. Oh, diba? Kakayos ba yun? And wish ko sa'yo happiness and contentment. And always, kung meron kang sadness or whatever, mga tanong-tanong dyan sa isip mo, huwag kang mag-atubili to talk to your parents, to your fans, to your friends. Don't keep it to yourself. Kasi kayo, mga bata kayo, dami yung mga adventures tsaka struggles, di ba? So, 16, 15 will be over soon, but 16 is much better. Okay? Mas exciting ang 16 years old. So, don't be afraid na i-explore pa yung ibang style, lalo na sa mga posing mo dyan. Kasi, gwapong-gwapo na talaga, lalo pang gwagwapo, huwag kang mag-atubili, okay? At saka nandito lang kami all the time. Prayers, support. Thank you for your time. And we also make sure that we follow you. Kahit na ang hirap-hirap kung mag-follow social media. Pero, buti na lang merong Ma'am Genesis dyan na nag-guide. No? Ma'am Genesis, thank you for guiding us. Ha? Ang dami-dami kasi. Pero kaya yun, ang kayang-kaya ko talagang gawin, mag-attendance every day. O, di ba?
Perfect. Attendance.
Perfect. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Wishing and praying for good health sa imuha o sa inyo tanan family, your mom and your dad, sa imuhang kuya and his family, sa inyo tanan din sa imuhang school, sa imuhang education. Just continue, do what you're doing. Okay, and prayer dong, and thankful for sa lahat ng blessings, bisag na pandemic, calamities, just pray, and di tayo pababayaan ni Lord. And once again, happy birthday sa 25th.
Thank you po.
This is an
Thank you
advance
po.
greetings, and hoping na you'll enjoy and just spend a good day in your birthday. Just enjoy your day. Bisag kamulan tulo din kahit tatlo lang kayo, enjoy mo pa rin yung birthday mo. Tsaka nandito lang kami praying for you, your fans kami, Nina Tita Emily, Tita Brassy, Ma'am Genesis, at Tita Mary. Yeah. We're praying for you always to Maki and Francis din. Okay, sa inyo lahat dyan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kiefer. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Kiefer. Kisses from Brazil. Bye.
Hi Kiefer, happy birthday to you. I wish you many more successful years. No matter what you will do in the future, I will always support you. Stay safe and always stay self-confident. All the best for you, your parents, your brother and his family. For me, you are the greatest. Love you.
Fell in love with an alien. Fell in love with the rhymes. Fell in love with an alien. I'm chilling in all the sky.